So this is 4 cards, and welcome to everyone to my More About It Monday. This is 4 cards, and I'm doing things a little different this time. Everything for that card is going to be tucked away in one of these envelopes, so that I have them. A lot of them are pre-cut for you. The stuff you'll be die cutting is pre-cut for you. You do have to do a little cutting and scoring. Score your card base, but we'll share the load. Share the love. So this would be for this card here, and of course I messed it up here. The inks that you'll need, this is the only one that has this Pacific Point ink. You could also use Night of Navy, which is what I used here, and here I used black. So Night of Navy, Memento, Tuxedo Black, and Pacific Point. It's just more matchy if you have the ink, I think. So this is a nice birthday card. Now this came from what we've been using. Oh, I'm never prepared. Let me go get it. Okay, so these are the sentiments that come with the happy birthday. But if you put happy birthday on the front, then you don't really have anything to put on the inside. So that's why this Peaceful Moments is an awesome set to have. It's also rubber. So wishing you every happiness this special day will bring. We used this in our butterfly class last class. But there are things in here that you can use on the inside that maybe this doesn't give you. So usually you don't find everything you want in one stamp set. So it's nice to have something with a lot of general variety of things so that you can kind of mix and match. So now this is available as a customer reward. You get the 4 kits, and then there'll be 4 videos for the classes. And so that's one card. Here's the kit for this card. You're the best, and then happy birthday to you. I think that's cute. I tried to get away from the suits because a lot of people don't wear suits anymore. My husband wears them to church, and that's the only time he wears a suit. So a happy birthday to you. You're the best. And then you can tuck your gift card in here. Okay, it's a tight fit. I made the mistake of using when I put that in, when I do the video, I'm going to have you use half of what I used. I used a whole piece of tear and tape like this, but when we do the when I do the video, I'm going to have you cut it pretty much in half, and then there won't be such a tight fit. I mean, it goes in and out, but it does kind of stick on the sides, so we'll fix that when we do our actual class. And here's the kit for that. And then this one is the one with the suit. It's the first one I did, and I love tweed suits. I need to add a button here because I don't know, I wasn't thinking that, oh yeah, we need buttons. So I'll probably put a button here, and that'll make it look more like a suit. Have a happy Father's Day, handsome. So I love, my husband actually has a tie that looks very similar to this. That's why it gave me that idea. And and then this is the kit for that one. So I think it'll cut down on our cutting time and confusion about what goes with what when I have them like this. And I'll package them like first project, second project, third project, fourth project. So if you do them in order, it'll get even less confusing. So here's what we have. I hope you're pleased. This one, this is kind of like a what do they call that? A dandy, something dandy. But anyway, this is more like Jimmy Buffett. This is more like country. This is like a Jim Dandy or whatever, and then this is sophisticated, you know, evening out kind of thing. So enough variety that you can kind of feel like you're getting, you know, a variety of personalities to give these cards to. Hi Kay. Yeah, preppy. Is this the one that looks preppy to you? I guess it does kind of look preppy. But anyhow, my thing is crooked. You know I should leave it alone, right? But anyhow, this is what I have with the $40 retail purchase using my current host code. I bumped it down to 40, and I doing only 4 projects. So hi Joni. I'm hoping to do more classes, less projects, more classes. That's the hope. But we'll see. I keep moving this around. I'm going to make y'all dizzy. Make those purchases if you want. This class is actually going to be, I'll start shipping the kits on Friday, but the class is actually going to be good through May, I think May 3rd, and then May 4th is going to be, starts our Pansy Patch. I think that's the name of it, our Pansy Patch class. So make that $40 purchase using my current host code that's on the top of our page here, or email me if you don't have it, and get this free from me.